Traditional restorative workflows often require multiple products and visits to preserve and shape soft tissue. For a traditional implant restoration, as many as 5 visits can be required to achieve primary stability and deliver the final prosthetic. Each step in the workflow is a dedicated appointment, requiring the removal and replacement of prosthetic components. This extended treatment increases both patient chair time and the overall expense of the procedure. SmartShape offers an evolution to these workflows by merging designs into a single component. By using SmartShape, this streamlined performance can reduce chair time by up to 60%. SmartShape is designed to support immediate placement and can be scanned as part of the initial surgical visit. This can reduce the entire workflow down to just 2 visits, a surgical appointment, and then delivery of the final restoration. The SmartShape workflow benefits both surgical and restorative clinicians, achieving faster results with fewer appointments. This is streamlined clinical performance.